OMG, I just arrived at Sweetwater Creek State Park. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. This one was not that far from my house. It was about a 40-minute drive from where I live. And yeah, it is time to go explore, but I kind of got a lot of groceries and stuff that I need to put in the coolers and the ice and all of those kind of things. But yay! I'm so glad to be here. Oh, the water, it just, y'all see, y'all see, y'all see. I can't believe I left my tripod. That is so annoying. So they definitely have a bait and tackle shop in case you want to get some bait to go fishing. And they have the paddle boats over there. And they also have the little kayak boats. This is a whole nother side. And actually this is where you will access the hiking trails. So this museum is out here. And these are the animals that have been seen. So I was going to get a camping site out here. However, their campsites, their tent sites, you can't pull a vehicle up, so I can't car camp here. The only way you can pull in your car is if you rent a yurt, and they are $100 and something a night, $107 I think a night. And yeah, I'm not interested in doing that, so I'm just going to hike the trail and then go back to the first area where I was and prepare my food and eat. But it's all good. Gotta go put on my shoes so I could go through the hiking trail. Putting on my shoes and getting myself ready to do the hiking trail. I'm also gonna eat a little watermelon before I go on a hiking trail so I can be hydrated. Part of the hiking trail that I wanted to go on is closed for reconstruction, and that has the mill, but I can check that out another time. So let me get ready, eat, drink some water, and get with the trail. Watermelon is always my favorite first day meal. And this is so sweet. Even though there's a big part of it that is blocked off under construction, but they said it's gonna look so much better, it's gonna be so much safer, and have more access to seeing some of the things near the mill. So it's okay. I'll miss out on it this time, but I'll check it out another time if I decide to visit this park again. All right, this is me starting my journey. my trail. I'm so amazed and proud of myself. Certain things I haven't really done alone. And so this is a big deal for me. And I recognize that you don't gain confidence until after you do a thing that scares you. So, yeah, I'm doing it. And I'm enjoying it. This is an area that I definitely wanted to get to. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? People said that going back up the trail was just as challenging. So, time to hike on up that hill. I don't know, which direction is it? Is it that way? I'm going to go that way. Okay, yeah. There is the red diamond. Got my butt back out of there. Got myself back out of there. Huh. It's a fire pit in the middle here. So I had to come inside because the bugs were attacking me, and yeah, I can't finish this food or prepare this food with them all over the place. So I'm just gonna finish preparing it right in here. A little avocado. Got my seasonings that I'm gonna put in it. Now that everything's in it, I got black beans, avocado, salad, sun-dried tomatoes, and seasoning. This is pretty good. Hi. Hello. Time for me to get home. It's starting to get really crowded out here. Not crowded, but it's starting to be a lot of people out here. And most of the people that are coming out here are going fishing, which is, you know, sweet. I think this is more known for the fishing and the hiking. There's also a firing gun range not far over to the other side of the lake, and yeah, I heard all of that gunfire, and I was wondering, what's going on over there? So, but yep, time for me to head home. I enjoyed my time here. This is my way of doing some kind of day camping, so without spending the night. I hope you enjoyed this, and in the meantime, good mental health, good spiritual health, and as always, good physical health. Y'all take great care.